Chemistry is the foundation of life, explaining how everything around us is composed and interacts. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, chemistry sustains life at every level. The human body is a complex organism made up of trillions of cells, each relying on chemical reactions to function. These reactions, governed by chemistry, allow our bodies to maintain balance, grow, and repair. Chemistry isn't just in textbooks, it's in every breath, every meal, and every heartbeat. By exploring these processes, we make chemistry relatable and essential to understanding life. As we journey through the chemistry of life, we'll see how science and living are inseparable. To understand life is to appreciate the chemistry that makes it possible. At the heart of chemistry are matter, elements, and compounds. Matter is anything with mass and volume, forming everything from stars to cells. Elements like hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen are the building blocks of life. These elements combine to create the diversity of substances in the natural world. When elements bond, they form compounds with unique properties, like water, essential for life. Studying elements and compounds helps us understand the reactions that sustain life. This knowledge is the foundation for exploring chemistry's role in biology. By grasping these basics, we unlock the secrets of life's chemical processes. Atoms are the basic units of matter, the building blocks of everything in the universe. Each atom has a nucleus of protons and neutrons surrounded by electrons and energy levels. The number of protons defines the element, 1 for hydrogen, 6 for carbon. Electrons, especially those in the outer shell, determine how atoms bond and interact. Atomic mass, the sum of protons and neutrons, helps predict how atoms combine. Atoms join to form molecules, the foundation of all compounds. Understanding atoms and their interactions reveals how simple parts create complex life. Chemistry starts at the atomic level, shaping the world around and within us. Energy levels in atoms determine how electrons are arranged and how atoms bond. Valence electrons in the outer shell are key to chemical bonding. The octet rule explains why atoms seek stable electron configurations, forming bonds. Atoms bond by sharing, covalent, or transferring ionic electrons to achieve stability. Ionic bonds create charged ions that attract, while covalent bonds involve shared electrons. These bonds form molecules, the basis of all substances. Understanding bonding explains how atoms achieve stability and interact in life's chemistry. This knowledge is essential for grasping the chemical processes that sustain life. Isotopes are variants of elements with different numbers of neutrons affecting atomic mass. Some isotopes are stable, while others are radioactive and release energy as they decay. Radioactive isotopes have important uses in medicine and archaeology, from imaging to dating artifacts. However, they must be handled carefully due to potential health risks from radiation. When used responsibly, radioactive isotopes are invaluable tools in science and healthcare. Understanding isotopes and radioactivity expands our view of chemistry's impact. These concepts show how elements can exist in diverse forms with powerful applications. Chemistry's dynamic nature shapes both technology and our understanding of the world. Chemical bonds hold atoms together, forming the molecules essential for life. Ionic bonds transfer electrons, creating charged ions like sodium chloride or table salt. Covalent bonds share electrons, forming strong connections in molecules like water and carbon dioxide. Hydrogen bonds, though weaker, are crucial in biology, giving water its unique properties and stabilizing DNA. These bonds enable the complex structures and reactions necessary for life. By studying bonds, we see how matter is held together and how life's chemistry works. Chemical bonds are the invisible glue of living systems. They form the intricate web of interactions that sustain life on Earth. Chemical reactions transform substances by breaking and forming bonds, driving life's processes. In our bodies, these reactions power everything from energy production to cellular repair. Synthesis reactions build complex molecules for growth and repair. Decomposition reactions break down molecules for digestion and energy. Exchange reactions swap components, vital for nutrient absorption and waste removal. Reversible reactions help maintain balance, like blood pH regulation. Understanding these reactions reveals how our bodies function and stay healthy. Life depends on the dynamic chemistry happening within us every moment. Metabolism is the sum of all chemical reactions that keep us alive. It includes catabolism, breaking down molecules to release energy, and anabolism, building complex molecules for growth and repair. Catabolic reactions, like digesting carbohydrates, provide the energy our bodies need. Anabolic reactions, such as protein synthesis, use that energy to build tissues and biomolecules. ATP acts as the cell's energy currency, storing and delivering energy where needed. Metabolism is a finely tuned balance of breaking down and building up. Understanding metabolism shows how our bodies harness and use energy. It's the chemistry that powers every aspect of life. Compounds are classified as organic or inorganic. Organic compounds built around carbon form the foundation of life: proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids. Inorganic compounds like water and salts are simpler but vital for physiological balance and chemical reactions. Water acts as a solvent and helps regulate temperature, while salts support nerve and muscle function. Both types are essential. Organic compounds build and operate cells. Inorganic compounds create the environment for life's chemistry. Understanding their differences highlights the diversity of substances in living systems. Chemistry's variety enables the complexity of life. Together, organic and inorganic compounds sustain the web of life.